Students often run into questions while studying on their own. When they can't get immediate help, those small points of confusion can quickly lead to disengagement with a course. Introducing CoCo Courses by Gray Decision Intelligence. It's an always-on digital assistant designed to boost academic success and improve student retention. Unlike broad model AI, CoCo Courses is source-grounded, tuned exclusively to your curriculum, from lecture videos and readings to your specific syllabus. Students receive real-time support via text or voice. Using Socratic techniques, CoCo Courses guides students toward a deeper understanding rather than giving answers away. Security is foundational. Your intellectual property remains yours, since our system does not use it to train public AI. We've also incorporated Google's Model Armor to protect against inappropriate content. Professors maintain complete control. You curate the source materials and can review interaction logs at any time to monitor progress and maintain academic integrity. Empower your students with support that's ready whenever they are. Schedule a CoCo Courses demo today to learn more.